In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pomelli to create a brand campaign or brand design for your brand. So you want to head over to Pomelli. Pomelli is a Google product, so you can simply type in Pomelli and you should see the result says Google Labs Pomelli by Google Labs, and you can head over to that official website for Pomelli. Now once you're on the website, you will see the option that basically allows you to get started, right? And you can sign right into the Pomelli dashboard, and we're going to use an example. Now you can see that we're on the official website of Pomelli, so all you have to do is click on let's get started. It's going to open up a new tab where you can go ahead and you can test out Pomelli, and from here just simply click and agree and continue. Click on OK, and here you can go ahead and get started. It says welcome to Pomelli. Just simply click and get let's go, and here you want to enter the website. So you'll be entering the website where you can easily generate the brand DNA or the business DNA. I'm going to use an official website. Let's say I type in FC Barcelona. So I'm going to use the official website, let's say for Barcelona, my favorite club. I'm going to click and continue. Here it's going to try to analyze the website, gather all the data, and come up with a brand DNA. And it normally comes up with different versions of brand campaigns and so forth, so that you're able to get different flavors. Let's put it like that. So let's just allow the AI to do its thing. It's picking a font, it's analyzing the website, it's pulling images from the website, doing all of those good stuff. So if you have your business website and would like to come up with a brand or business DNA or a business, let's say, campaign, you can easily use Pomelo to come up with a business DNA for you within seconds. So let's just wait for that to complete, and you're going to see the power of Pomeli in play, and you can see how far that process takes, because you can see at the bottom right here that it's currently loading. It says about 10 minutes left, and so we just want to be pretty patient and wait for the AI to complete. All right, now you can see that it comes up with a bunch of things here. Here you can choose if you would like to, let's say, add logos and all these things, but it pulls the fonts and so forth. So here you can choose to add logos. You can even upload more images. It's really up to you, right? So let's say you want to add your brand logo. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply go to Google and just download, for example, a Barcelona logo, so that I can add this to my design. So let's say I choose this. Let's use this one as an example and download this as a PNG image. Download this as a PNG image, and as you can see, that is done. What I'm gonna do now is just head back over to Pomeli, click on add logo, and from here you can even choose some from the logo that it actually pulls, or you can basically upload your own image. So I'm going to click on upload, select the image right here, and it's going to upload that specific logo there. And right here I can add it, I can click and apply, and so that's going to apply the logo there, and the fonts look fine, the colors look fine, it pull all of those, and here are the additional images that it find. So these are really good. So from here we're going to click on our look good, and you can see that it even come up some suggested business DNA. Here you can use the power of AI to generate some ideas, so you can describe your campaign that you want to create and just use the power of AI. Or if you want, you can even use the AI to just suggest ideas, but these are some of the ones that it comes up with. So let's say I like, for example, the Mesque on club always with this Lamine Yamal right here. I can click on that and you can see what it looks like. So these are really cool, right? And you can add more creatives if you so desire. But that's really cool, guys. So that's how you can easily go ahead and use Pomeli to create your business DNA, to come up with business campaigns and all those good stuff. It's really easy to use, and yeah, I hope you found value in this video, guys. Very easy and very simple.